Hello friends, welcome back to Novita Creations. Today I am showing drumstick leaves pachadi recipe in our Novita Creations. For that you need 1 cup of drumstick leaves, washed, peeled and dried. 1 spoon of white sesame seeds, 2 garlic pods chopped, 1 spoon of cumin, mustard and urid seeds for tempering, and you need a big marble size tamarind. You need 4 green chilies chopped, 1 onion chopped, 1 spoon of coriander seeds or dhania podi, 1 spoon of 1 spoon of red chili powder, salt as much as you required. First we need to take a pan and we need to put our sesame seeds and we need to dry roast until they change slightly color on low flame. While you are frying them, you need to stir them to avoid burning. If you see now, our sesame seeds slightly changed the color. So we need to transfer them into a plate. After transferring white sesame seeds into another plate, you need to take half spoon of oil, you need to add garlic and green chilli, tamarind and onion, and you need to fry them for 2 to 5 minutes on low flame. While you are frying them, make sure you put low flame and you stir them properly, otherwise they will burn. And while I am frying all of these things, I am putting sesame seeds in a mixie jar and I am going to add salt, red chili powder and dhania podi or coriander seeds powder in a mixie jar, and I will make them in a mixie jar as a fine powder. I made sesame seeds and red chili powder and salt and coriander seeds in a mixie jar as a fine powder. Now I need to keep it aside. Now our green chili, tamarind and onion and what else? Yeah, are fried very well. So we need to turn off the stove and we need to transfer them into a plate. I transferred them into a plate. Now I took same pan and I added half spoon of oil in it. Now we are going to add our drumstick leaves. We need to cook them on low flame and we need to stir them while they are frying, and it will take 2 to 4 minutes for me because my quantity is very less. If your quantity is big, then it will take some more time. and do not put lid while you are cooking or frying leaves, because if you do that, then the nutrients of leaves will removed by steam. After 5 minutes it should be like this. So now we need to turn off the stove and we need to let it cool down. While we are cooling drumstick leaves, we need to put these in a mixie jar and make them as a fine paste. I made all ingredients as a fine pachadi paste. Now we need to add our drumstick leaves into a mixie jar and we will make as a pachadi. After you make drumstick leaves pachadi, you need to keep this aside and you need to take a same pan and add half spoon of oil. Once it is heat, check whether oil is heat enough or not. Once oil is heat enough, add cumin, mustard and urid seeds. Once mustard seeds is spluttering and urid dal is slightly changed the color, we will add our pachadi into the pan. Once urid dal and mustard seeds and everything is spluttered, then we will add our pachadi into this and we will keep it for only 1 minute and then we will turn off the stove. Now our pachadi is ready, but it is very hot, so we will let it cool down for 5 minutes and we will serve this with hot rice or naan or chapati or parota or any kind of breakfast. Now our healthy, tasty drumstick leaves or moringa leaves pachadi is ready. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching Novita Creations. Please subscribe, like, share, comment Novita Creations. I will see you soon with another video. Bye.